I set a goal for myself to leave my job in 2 years doing affiliate marketing. My job is stressing me out. It's a very high level stress job. My job is so stressful. They called 911 and I was in the emergency room from the level of stress that I have to endure on that job. I decided to take my financial health and my mental health in my own hand by doing some side hustle. I strongly believe that in 2 years, I will be able to quit my job. So I hope you subscribe to this channel and follow my journey. I am looking for 500 people that have a 9 to 5 job and they're completely stressed the heck out and they're looking for a way out and they don't know how to do it. So I am here to share with you affiliate marketing is the best route out of your 9 to 5. Everything that I'm learning, all the research that I'm doing, I'm going to come back on this channel and share it with you guys. Affiliate marketing is the way to go. It's by far, hands down, the best route when it comes to side hustle. The reason why is because you don't have to create a product. All you're doing is providing product and services that people are already using and people need. All you're doing is providing product and services that you are using and you're just promoting it to people. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to deal with any customer service. You leave that to the company that you're going to partner up with. I hope to encourage 500 people who are working a 9 to 5 and are stressed out from their 9 to 5 and it's messing with their mental health and they feel stuck and they feel trapped. I want to tell them that there is a way out. Because if it's happening to me, I know it's happening to 1,000, if not millions of people out there. So I'm here to tell you there is a way out. I'm going to be sharing tips, everything that I learn, courses that I take, affiliate programs that I'm a part of. So I'm going to share that with you guys. I am excited. I am very nervous and excited all at the same time. But I am going to do it. I am going to do it, guys. I am going to do it. I have to. My mental health depends on me getting this done. When you are able to control your financial health, you get the time freedom. That's what I'm looking for. I have this poster that I created and it says it's not really the money that I'm after, it's the freedom that it brings. And for a lot of people that is true. You need a system in terms of how you can market affiliate products. How do you find people who are looking for these affiliate services that you need? Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you subscribe to my channel and I'm super excited for this channel. I'll see you in my next video.